Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we go through a lot of passive income with stocks and cryptocurrency. And today I got a special one because Palm AI staking is currently live. I want to go through this with you really quickly and show you how this works. The website for that is hub.palmai.tech/INFRA. And that should look just like this. I already staked some. The first, I believe, 50 stakers get some type of bonus. So I'm gonna try to get this video out as soon as possible. First step is to come down here to this window here and approve the amount of tokens you wanna approve. If you hit approve max, it's gonna approve the maximum amount of tokens that you have in your wallet. So once you've gone through that approval process and you confirm the transaction, I'll show you how it works. It'll come here and then you'll confirm that transaction, which I'm not going to do for a second time. Then you're going to be able to stake. So you'll put in a certain amount of tokens and then you'll hit stake and then you'll push another transaction through. Then once that's done, it'll show down here recent activity and show how many you staked. And then after that you can refresh. I refreshed my screen and it showed my total stake tokens, which mine currently is 3.5K. So they're going to show APR in the future. If we go back here to the X site, it says their X page, it says Palm staking program is now live. The first 50 get $100 added to their APY rewards. We've shared over $1.8 million in revenue for passive holding. Now it's time to put your tokens to work. Please view the accompanying tutorial. It's like a worded tutorial. Watch my video and go by that because I've done it already and I've showed you how the staking program powers a dynamic APY that's sourced from our DeepIn deployments, which you access within hardware instances that are in an abstract manner powered by Palm. More Palm staked gives you more power to achieve more yield. One more time, go to hub.palmai.tech/INFRA. You come down here, you approve how many tokens you want to stake. It goes through one transaction and then you go through another transaction to stake. Your activity will be shown down here. So far there's 12 stakers so far, so let me get this video out as soon as possible. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.